York State, you can't pass up the opportunity to see one of the most spectacular natural wonders of the world, Niagara Falls. I've seen Niagara Falls in many pictures, movies, but you really have to see it with your own eyes to see the sheer magnitude of this waterfall. There are three main waterfalls here, and this is the biggest. This is Horseshoe Waterfall. The power of the amount of water that is flowing, cascading down, it is spectacular. It's breathtaking. And apparently, that's about 150 million litres of water per minute that drops from this fall. It's an incredible amount of water. And you can see why it's so popular with the tourists. 9 million tourists come here every year to see this spectacle. And after witnessing the sheer power of the falls, there's no better place to pause and take it all in than the Top of the Falls restaurant. Here you can relax over the menu of classic American fare while watching the mist rise from the falls below. I'm here with Jason, who's the executive chef at the restaurant Top of the Falls here. You've got a pretty good office.
It's not a bad view, for sure. The beginning of my day and the end of my day starts off with this view. It's one of the best in the world, honestly. So it's one of my happy places, I guess.
That's why you're smiling all the time.
Absolutely, absolutely.
You're also smiling all the time because you're going to make me something that I wanted to have on this entire trip. Mac and cheese.
Oh, great. Yes, we have a real treat for you today. We've got a smoked gouda mac and cheese. It's got cavatelli pasta, smoked gouda cheese. We've got a Colby and cheddar jack shredded, and then a blue cheese to crumble on top of it.
And if that wasn't enough, we need some fried chicken, right?
Absolutely. We do our hand-breaded chicken tenders here in-house with our signature secret blend, if you will.
Yum. It's just really hard to not pick at it right now.
Oh, absolutely.
I will wait till the end. All right, so how do we get the mac and cheese started?
So we've got our pan going on the high heat right now. So we're gonna reduce the cream down just a touch, just to thicken it up and intensify the sweetness of the cream. Then we're gonna add our cheeses to that. Our smoked Gouda cheese, get that going. It's gonna start reducing down and melting together.
So do you put even quantities of the cheese?
Absolutely,
Or...
always even quantities. You don't wanna have anything overpower anything else.
Yeah.
Too much of that smoky flavor is gonna tear apart the insides of your face. So it's just gonna make it, it's gonna be too strong, for sure.
Okay.
But we're gonna go ahead and add some pasta to the reduced sauce now.
So you're not using a tiny macaroni here, you're using
no.
a little bit of a swirl.
We have the cavatelli pasta.
Yeah.
The biggest thing I like about this is there's a lot of surface area. That sauce is gonna get nice and gooey. It's gonna stick to every little nook and cranny in there. And then you've got the hole in the center, that's gonna soak up so much more of that. So we go ahead and move on to the scallions. We're gonna get the little garnishes ready for us.
Okay.
We're just gonna use the green tops of the scallions. We're not looking for a huge amount of the onion flavor, but we want a little bit of that punch. We want a little bit of that crunch that comes from it.
Do you know what we call scallions in Australia?
What's that?
Spring onions.
Fair enough.
I like the dark part too because it's going to be quite striking
Absolutely.
at the end there.
A little bit of
nice
visual
green.
contrast makes it pop. Chicken tenders.
Oh, the chicken. So good. It smells really, really good. So are you going to tell me what's in the spices?
So in the spice blend, it's a big secret. Nobody needs to know about this stuff. It's flour, sugar, cornstarch, garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika.
That's it?
That's it. We're gonna take one of these. We're just gonna chop it up into nice bite-sized chunks.
Oh, so crunchy.
We're gonna toss it with the sauce. Frank's hot sauce is one of the Western New York traditions. We make a little bit of a twist on it, though. We add a little bit of a sriracha sauce and some honey to it.
Okay.
And then finish it off with some butter. So it's got a little sweet heatness to it.
Oh, that's amazing. And the tang.
Absolutely.
The tang is there. So good.
Absolutely. So we're gonna take our chicken now.
Yep.
We're just gonna put it in our mixing bowl. If you want to give it a good squirt in there.
Yes. How much?
Oh, I'll tell you when. Keep on going.
Oh, that's a lot.
Keep on going. That should be good right there.
Wow,
All right.
okay.
So we're going to toss this up in the air. You want to give it a shot or are you good?
Sure, why not?
Fantastic. Let's go for it. There we go. There we go.
The flip. Oh, I made an
Awesome.
absolute
That's okay.
mess.
That's what makes happiness. So we're just going to give this a quick salt and pepper. Good little pinch.
How much pepper?
Let's say half a pinch.
Like that?
That's beautiful. That's beautiful. So let's go ahead and go straight into the bowl with the hot mac and cheese.
Oh, you're speaking my language here.
Oh,
Extra
look at
saucy.
all that sauce on top of there. That is absolutely gorgeous. We're gonna add some of our nice, big, juicy chunks of the saucy chicken. right on top of there. We're gonna throw a little extra on there for you. We're gonna take our blue cheese crumbles. So now we're just gonna top this off with a little pinch of our scallions.
Yep.
Just to give it a pop of color and a pop of texture. And if you wanna hand me the franks, we'll put the last little bit of sauce on top.
Okay.
And there we go. Buffalo style mac and cheese.
Now, if that isn't the ultimate American dish, then I don't know what is, Jason.
Let's have a taste.
Absolutely. So do we eat it all together?
I like to put as much on one fork as I possibly can before I shove it in there. A little bit of blue cheese, a little bit of mac. Too good for words.
Jace, that's one of the best mac and cheeses I've had, with that sauce and that crispy fried chicken and that view. Doesn't get any better.
I agree. This is great.
Am I sharing with you, or am I going to eat this whole thing?
I think you should finish it off.
I'm happy with that. I'm really, really happy with that.